Good afternoon, my dear boys of class 6. Welcome back to my another class. This is Shravani Mojumdar, your English second paper instructor on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. Boys, I hope all of you are fine and I am also fine. And I am expecting that you have done well in your exam because that was easy and all of you are informed about the exam and we gave you lots of instructions based on that. So I think that the exam was good. Okay. So today boys, I am back to you with the same topic, that is capitalization and punctuations, and as we have learned already capitalization, today I am going to discuss on punctuation. Okay, so this is also easy and all of you are well known about the punctuation marks. Okay boys, so take out your copy. I know that you have submitted your copy in the school, that's why you can write today's lecture in another copy that is kept at your home. Okay, তার মানে হচ্ছে বাসায় যে কপিটা আছে তুমি চাইলে সেই কপিটাতে আজকের ক্লাসটা নোট করতে পারো. Okay boys, okay, so let's go for our today's class and get ready. First of all, I am going to show you what is punctuations. Okay, punctuation is used to create sense, clarity and stress in sentences. Okay, you use punctuation marks to structure and organize your writing. That means we use punctuation marks to structure and organize our writing. If we don't use punctuation marks, our writing will not be organized. Okay, that's why we need punctuations to organize our writing. Okay boys, so you need not memorize it, you will just write it down in your copy so that you can remember what is actually punctuation and why should we use this punctuation. Okay, okay boys, now I am going to discuss on different types of punctuations today. First of all, I am going for full stop. Okay, so full stop is one kind of punctuation mark. Okay, this is used at the end of a complete declarative sentence. Boys, declarative sentence means assertive sentence. Okay, so we use full stop at the end of a complete declarative sentence. Okay, so what is the use of full stop? We use full stop in assertive sentence or complete declarative sentence. Okay, here are some examples for you. First one is, my name is Sheetal. So you can see this is a complete declarative or assertive sentence, that's why you have to put a full stop after that. Then number 2, the dog is barking. So this is another sentence, declarative or assertive sentence, that's why you have to put a full stop here. Okay, then number 3, my mother is baking a cake today. So this is another sentence and it's a complete sentence, that's why you have to put a full stop at the end of this sentence. Then number 4, I want to study. So I want to study is an assertive or declarative sentence, that's why you have to put a full stop after that. So this is called full stop and all of you are well known about this punctuation mark and this is very necessary. If you don't put a full stop after any sentence, I think teacher will cut your mark and it's your duty to complete your sentence with a full stop. Okay boys, so this is the first one from punctuation mark. I am going for the next one. Now I am going for question mark. So you know what is question mark? This is question mark. Okay, so there is written, it is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. So you know what are the interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentences are used to ask questions. Okay, so we use these types of question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. Okay boys, okay, here is an example for you. How many cookies did you eat? So this is a question. Okay, so mother is asking this question to her daughter, that's why as this is a question, that means interrogative sentence, you have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, so here is written, you can see that a sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. Okay, this is also very known to you. When we use interrogative sentence, we have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, now there are more examples for you. Okay, number 1, what is your name? So this is a question, that's why there will be a question mark. Number 2, where are you going? There will be a question mark as this is a question. Number 3, why are you sad? Question mark. Number 4, how are you? Question mark. Number 5, can I take your pencil? There will be a question mark as there is a question. Number 6, are you happy? Then there will be a question mark. So these all are interrogative sentences, and we know that at the end of the interrogative sentence we have to put a question mark, and question mark is also related to the punctuation marks. Okay, so this is all about question mark. Now I am going for comma. Okay, in your copy you have to write like this. Okay, there will be headline like this. Okay, then you can draw a comma like this. Okay, then you will write, it is used to show difference between two separate ideas or elements within a sentence. So we use comma to show difference between two separate ideas or elements within a sentence. ওকে, তার মানে হচ্ছে একটা সেন্টেন্সে যখন ডিফারেন্ট কিছু আইডিয়া থাকে, ঠিক আছে, সেগুলোর মধ্যে যেই ডিফারেন্সটা থাকে আমরা সেটা শো করার জন্য কমা ইউজ করি। ওকে, আরেকটা এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি বা ডেফিনেশন দিচ্ছি যেটা দিয়ে তুমি বুঝতে পারবে। দেখো, comma is used to separate 3 or more words in a list. Okay, so comma is used to separate if there are 3 or more words in a list. Okay, example, my favorite fruits are apple, banana and strawberry. So you can see this is a sentence, and in this sentence there are more than one word. Okay, like apple, banana, strawberry. So they are different things or different fruits name. That's why you have to put a comma to show the difference among them. ওকে, তার মানে হচ্ছে পরপর যখন একই রকমের কিছু শব্দ থাকে বা ডিফারেন্ট কিছু শব্দ থাকে তাদেরকে আলাদা করার জন্য আমাদেরকে কমা ইউজ করতে হবে। ওকে ওকে বয়েজ, সো দিস ইজ এক্সাম্পল ফর কমা। আর হচ্ছে যারা তোমরা ক্লাস নোট করতে চাও তারা হচ্ছে ভিডিওটা পজ করে নিবে, পজ করে হচ্ছে তোমার লেখার শেষ হলে তারপরে আবার তুমি চাইলে স্টার্ট করতে পারো যাতে করে তুমি লিখতে পারো। ঠিক আছে, আমি যদি তোমাকে এখন ভিডিওর মধ্যে টাইম দিতে যাই সেক্ষেত্রে এই ভিডিওটা মেক করতে আমার অনেক টাইম লাগবে। সেজন্য বয়েজ, ইউ হ্যাভ টু পজ মাই ভিডিও ফর কিপিং দ্য নোটস। ওকে ওকে, সো দিস ইজ অ্যাবাউট কমা. Okay, there is one more example. Okay, comma is also used after introductory words such as yes, no, well, hello, etc. So you have to remember that after yes, no, well or hello you have to put a comma. Okay, example, hello, how are you doing? So after hello you have to put a comma. Okay, so remember these 4 words, yes, no, well and hello. After these 4 words you have to put a comma. Okay boys, okay. Now here is another use. Comma is also used for giving a short pause in a sentence. So if we want to give a short pause in a sentence we have to use comma. Example, a lot of people, young and old, rich and poor, met the saint. Okay, so you can see that there is a long sentence. So if you want to give a short pause in this sentence you have to use comma. Okay, a lot of people, then a pause, then there will be a comma, then young and old, so there will be a pause, then there will be a comma, then rich and poor, comma, met the saint. Okay, so if you want to give a pause, short pause in a sentence you can use comma. Okay, so boys, this is all about comma and question mark and also full stop. Now I am going for quotation mark. Okay, so this is called quotation mark. Okay okay, it is used to indicate dialogues or statements said by someone. So we use these types of quotation mark if we want to write about someone's dialogue or someone's statement. Okay, তার মানে হচ্ছে আমরা যখন অন্য কারো কোনো কথা লিখতে যাব, মানে কথাটা অন্য একজন বলেছে কিন্তু সেই কথাটা আমি লিখছি, সেক্ষেত্রে হচ্ছে আমরা কোটেশন মার্কসটা ইউজ করব। এক্সাম্পলস, নাম্বার 1, Ritika said it is a lovely day. So here in this sentence you can see that Ritika said, not I am saying. Okay, that's why you have to put a quotation mark and then you have to write what is said by her. Okay, তার মানে হচ্ছে যে কোটেশন মার্কটা থাকবে তার মধ্যে হচ্ছে সে কি বলেছে আমরা সেটা লিখব. ওকে, সো Ritika said it's a lovely day. There will be a quotation mark as this saying is said by Ritika. Okay, number 2, Ma, who woke me up today? Neha asked. So this sentence is told by Neha. That's why you have to put this sentence into an inverted comma. Okay, sorry, or quotation mark. Then number 3, the boy said, I am feeling hungry. Okay, so as I am feeling hungry is said by this boy, you have to put a quotation mark. Okay, in this sentence. And one more thing, when there is Ritika said or হচ্ছে the boy said, these types of sentence will come, you have to put a comma after said also. Okay boys, okay, so this is about quotation mark. Now I am going for exclamation mark. কোটেশন মার্কটা আশা করি তোমরা সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো. কোটেশন মার্ক হচ্ছে যখন আমরা অন্য কারো কোনো কথা লিখব বা অন্য কোনো এক্সপ্লেনেশন দিব কারো হয়ে, সেক্ষেত্রে হচ্ছে আমরা কোটেশন মার্কের মধ্যে সে যে কথাটা লিখেছে বা বলেছে সেই কথাটা আমরা কোটেশন মার্কের ভেতরে ইউজ করব. ওকে, now I am going for exclamation mark. It is used to show emphasized and strong emotions like joy, sorrow, surprise, excitement, etc. So we use these types of exclamation mark in exclamatory sentences, okay, to show emotions like joy, sorrow, surprise or excitement. Okay, example, wow, what a cute baby. So wow is an expression of surprise. Okay, that's why there is an exclamation mark. Then if I say what a cute baby, so there is also an expression of joy. That's why there is an exclamation mark. Okay, then number 2, alas, the cat is dead. So alas is an expression of sorrow. That's why there will be an exclamation mark. And as the cat is dead, this is an assertive sentence. The cat is dead. Look at this. If I just remove alas, then the sentence will be the cat is dead. So this is an declarative sentence. That's why there will be a full stop. Okay, যে সেন্টেন্সটা হচ্ছে কোনো ডিক্লারেশন, দ্যাট মিন্স হচ্ছে বর্ণনামূলক কোনো কিছু বোঝায়, সেক্ষেত্রে তোমাকে ফুল স্টপ দিতে হবে. আর যেটা দিয়ে কোনো সারপ্রাইজ, সরো বা কোনো হ্যাপিনেস বা এক্সাইটমেন্ট বোঝায়, সেক্ষেত্রে হচ্ছে তোমাকে exclamation mark দিতে হবে. Okay, so there will be exclamation mark after alas, but there will be no exclamation mark after any descriptive sentence. Okay boys, okay, there are more examples for you for exclamation mark. Number 1, wow, that's a beautiful dress. Okay, so you can see wow is an explanation of surprise. That's why there will be a exclamation mark, but that's a beautiful dress. This is an declarative sentence. That's why there will be a full stop. Okay, then hooray, we are going for a picnic. So hooray is an explanation of happiness or joy. That's why there will be an exclamation mark. And if we just cover this one, then we are going for a picnic. That is an assertive or declarative sentence. That's why there will be a full stop. Okay, stop, don't go there. Okay, so stop shows an excitement. That's why there will be an exclamation mark. And don't go there is an imperative sentence. That means you are forbidding him to go there, মানে হচ্ছে তুমি তাকে যেতে নিষেধ করছো. এটা জাস্ট একটা ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স. অ্যান্ড আফটার ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স উই নো দ্যাট উই হ্যাভ টু পুট আ ফুল স্টপ. ওকে, then no, I don't want to eat now. So no is an explanation of I think excitement, or you can say that anger or something like that. Okay, you can just say that no is an explanation of excitement. Okay, I don't want to eat now. That means he is explaining that he don't want to eat now, and he is saying this no in exciting mode. Okay, that's why after no there will be a exclamation mark. And I don't want to eat now, this is an assertive sentence. That's why there will be a full stop here. Okay, so this is all about exclamation mark. Boys, Today I'm not going to give you any HW. I will give you HW tomorrow, and before that I would like to request you, please learn all the rules from punctuation and also from capitalization. Okay, so I have given you some punctuation marks like full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, quotation mark, like this. So you first of all you just learn these types of punctuation marks and also try to learn the capitalization rules. Okay, then tomorrow I will give you some HW. You have to do the HW and you have to submit it in the comment section. Before that, write down all of the notes that I have given you today. Okay, so আজকে যে হোমওয়ার্ক ক্লাস ওয়ার্কগুলো দিয়েছি এটা তুমি সবটাই হচ্ছে তোমার একটা খাতায় লিখবে, যেটা বাসায় আছে এরকম কোনো খাতায়। তারপরে কালকে আমি হচ্ছে কিছু HW দিব, এক্সারসাইজ দিব পাংচুয়েশন আর ক্যাপিটালাইজেশনের উপরে, সেটা তুমি করে পরে সাবমিট করবে। ওকে বয়েজ, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং মাই ক্লাস অ্যান্ড সি ইউ ইন মাই নেক্সট ক্লাস। অ্যান্ড বিফোর দ্যাট ট্রাই টু লার্ন ইচ অ্যান্ড এভরিথিং ফ্রম ইয়োর হার্ট, ফ্রম ইয়োর ওন লার্নিং। এই শেখাগুলো কিন্তু সারা জীবন কাজে লাগবে। এই যে শিখছো এটা সারা জীবন কাজে লাগবে। ছোটোবেলা থেকে যদি তুমি ভালোভাবে শেখো তাহলে দেখবে যে তুমি যখন বড় হবে তখন আর নতুন করে কিছু শিখতে হবে না। ওকে, দিস লার্নিং উইল হেল্প ইউ টু গেইন অ্যাচিভমেন্ট ইন ইয়োর লাইফ। দ্যাটস ওয়াই you have to learn well. Okay boys, thank you very much for watching my class, and those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, thank you.